Olcay. I'm here to celebrate World Mental Health Awareness Week. And this is a very special year because this year's matter is about kindness. The kindness matters. And this is a very good topic because we can really make a big difference in our lives by just being kind to ourselves and all the beings inside this beautiful planet. For that reason, I made a very personal affirmation for my daily mindful practice, and I would like you to join me with your own words. Have similar meaning, have similar idea, which is kindness.
I wish I could visualize all human beings getting rid of any sense of anxiety, stress, fear, and uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 outbreak. I'm connected to every living creature, plants, animals, and human beings on this earth by imagining a vast amount of energy fulfilled with love, kindness, and compassion radiating from me to the whole universe. This feeling of joy and happiness is surrounding my neighborhood, the whole community where I live. It is moving towards the city, throughout the whole country, and past the whole of Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica. We are being kind to our amazing planet and all the living beings with love and respect.
Thank you for the opportunity sharing this with you. Bye.